Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin is in Bihar to take part in the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's Voter Adhikar Yatra. Stalin is with Rahul Gandhi at a public rally in Darbhanga and will deliver an address before returning to Chennai in the evening. The DMK has been vocal in criticizing the special intensive revision of electoral rules as far as the state of Bihar is concerned. In fact, in a very recent party resolution, M.K. Stalin had condemned this exercise, calling it an attempt to tilt the balance in favor of the BJP. Meanwhile, Tamil Nadu BJP leaders, including K. Annamalai, has hit out at M.K. Stalin with a video of DMK leaders making remarks against Biharis. My colleague Toya Jakshi is joining us live on the broadcast to fill us in with the latest. Toya Jakshi, what's in the plan as far as M.K. Stalin's visit to Bihar is concerned, and what's the underlying messaging here?
Well, yes, Sakshi, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, accompanied by his sister, the Thoothukudi MP, Kanimozhi Karunanidhi, departed from Chennai today at 7:30 a.m. Well, according to the Chief Minister's schedule, that CM M.K. Stalin and Kanimozhi will join the Voters Adhikar Yatra on the National Highway 57, where the Rahul Gandhi will lead the day's march and also address the gathering. A large meeting, a public meeting has been organized as a part of the program where M.K. Stalin will be speaking in solidarity with Rahul Gandhi's campaign. When Rahul Gandhi launched this campaign, a 16-day yatra from August 17th, with the state object highlighting alleged irregularities on the ongoing voters list revision exercise in Bihar, SIR, where the Congress leader had earlier accused that Election Commission of deleting nearly 65 lakh names of the from the rolls. Now that the DMK has been vocal in criticizing the special intensive revision of the electoral rolls in Bihar in the recent party resolution, where M.K. Stalin had condemned the exercise, calling it an attempt to tilt the balance in the favor of the BJP. On the other hand, now that K. Annamalai, the former BJP state president, has tweeted in his X where he says that a collection of past remarks which were made by M.K. Stalin, his party members and alliance partners against the people of Bihar. Let's see if he has the courage to stand beside Rahul Gandhi and repeat those same insults in front of people and once where he mocked the people once. So this was the statement which was made by Annamalai against M.K. Stalin, where right now M.K. Stalin will be taking a march along with MP Kanimozhi Karunanidhi, which under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi.
Right, Soya Jakshi, but if you could, talk about the kind of impact that having Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister travelling down to Bihar to participate in this particular rally. We know that INDIA bloc is trying to put up, an united front in front of the people as far as their, opposition towards the voter roll revision is concerned. But the kind of impact is what I am concerned about. What kind of an impact M.K. Stalin's arrival in Bihar is going to make?
Well, Sakshi, this is the election time where people from different politicians from different states, would become the star campaigners, would go to the state and would campaign for that state leaders. So this will absolutely, it will create a huge impact, because around the corner, when we see that 2026 Tamil Nadu elections are also going to happen, where the politicians from across the country who is in the support of the India bloc, will come and join M.K. Stalin with their campaign and will also show their support to M.K. Stalin. So the same way M.K. Stalin is also showing the support to Rahul Gandhi, being a part of India Alliance, one of the major, a big party being in the India Alliance, which is going to create a huge impact in this yatra. And also, vice versa, when it comes around Tamil Nadu elections also, there will be the people who comes and show support for Tamil Nadu DMK as well. So this is all a political agenda where MK Stalin is now going to Bihar to take part in the yatra, in Rahul Gandhi's yatra, where he will show support and solidarity. He will speak to the people of Bihar. He will make sure that he will always, his agenda is that, to make sure that BJP shouldn't come to power. So this is the main agenda that he's keeping in his mind, and now he's going and supporting Rahul Gandhi, Sakshi.
But Thoya, BJP is also not far behind as far as attacking INDIA bloc is concerned. Ever since Tamil Nadu's chief minister arrived in Bihar, we are looking at the series of tweets coming in as far as BJP Tamil Nadu is concerned. K. Annamalai's tweet being one of it. He has also, brought back that very video where MK Stalin had talked about Biharis, and that too in a very not fond behavior.
Well, yes, when we see Annamalai's tweet where he has mocked at DMK, MK Stalin, where he stated that for the past comments which were made by MK Stalin and the DMK party members against the people of Bihar. So now he stated that we should see we should see that if he has the same courage to go again and talk to people of Bihar with the same courage. So now that this is like where BJP is also mocking and BJP is also slamming that since now NK Stalin has gone to Rahul Gandhi's yatra over there, and now he's going to talk about, he's going to even include what is happening in Tamil Nadu as well. He will also put out few problems that these are the problems which the with the central government has not fulfilled for the state. So these kind of topics that he's going to bring in today's speech, in MK Stalin's speech, where he's going to speak about Tamil Nadu. He's going to compare, he's going to bring out the issues that the Tamil Nadu is also facing, where he is also going to mock the central government today for not fulfilling their needs. So these kind of topics he's going to talk in today's speech, and this is how he's going to show his support for Rahul Gandhi.